Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy crypto with American Express card. Simple guide. So let's get started. So here we are in bitpay.com right here. So we're gonna go buy crypto. So this is the URL. You might want to copy that and go into this website right here. So from here you can already see the buy cryptocurrency. So all we have to do is select if we're gonna buy or sell. In this case, we will be buying, and you want to input the amount and the currency right here. In my case, it's USD, and let's say I want to buy worth $100, and then I'm gonna choose the crypto that I'm gonna be buying. So let's say I want to go for Bitcoin, and I'm gonna paste my Bitcoin address right here. And then from here, the payment method, in order for you to use the American Express card, you need to click or choose the credit card option. And from here, click on View Offers. And from here, you would be able to see different prices. So let's just wait for this one to load right there. So as you can see, there are different prices right here that you can use, but you have your best offer right here at the top. So this is what is suggested that you should choose. But of course, you are welcome to try the other offers right here if you would like to use the provider right there. So let's say we're just gonna go with the best offer right here. Click on buy, and then from here, as you can see, it will now be redirecting to the partner. And as you can see, this service is unavailable in your location. There might be some cases with that, so you can just try other providers right here, other offers. And let's see if this one is good for me. As you can see, it is all good with my location. So from here I can proceed. So I can just continue, and then you can just go with your phone number right here. So you would need to provide your contact details right here. These are all just personal information, but this is basically how you do it. You just want to proceed with these steps. And anyways, I can't pinpoint accurately on which one you are going to into choose right here on the offers, and each provider right here would have a different method on how you can buy them, or the process on the transaction. Like for example, this one right here, when I tap on buy, this would have a different process on the transaction right here. So yeah, you just have to go through it. Anyways, all of them are straightforward. You don't need any special guidance. All you have to do is just provide your card and your personal information. So that is basically it on how you can buy crypto with American Express card.